Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. A diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0017, indicates a correlation issue between the Camshaft Position Sensor B and the Crankshaft Position Sensor. This correlation is crucial for optimal engine timing and performance. The CMP Sensor B measures the position of the exhaust camshaft, while the CKP sensor monitors the crankshaft's position and rotational speed. Both sensors work in conjunction to ensure the engine operates efficiently. If the phase value measured by the CMP Sensor B is outside the specified range compared to the standard value, the vehicle's onboard computer will detect an abnormality and trigger this DTC code. Before proceeding with the troubleshooting, it's essential to ensure all related systems are functioning correctly, as indicated in the manual. Camshaft Position (CMP) Sensor B's role is to track the positioning of the exhaust camshaft, which is critical for regulating engine timing and valve operation. Positioned near the engine's cylinder head, this sensor sends signals to the Engine Control Unit (ECU) to maintain proper timing for optimal fuel injection and ignition. The Crankshaft Position (CKP) sensor monitors the position of the crankshaft, providing necessary data on the rotational speed and position of the crankshaft for efficient engine performance. The CKP sensor is typically located near the crankshaft, usually in the engine block or timing cover area. If there is any discrepancy between the signals from both sensors, such as those caused by a malfunctioning solenoid or a timing issue, the system initiates a fault code, flagging a problem within the Variable Timing Control (VTC) system. The first possible cause for DTC P0017 could be an issue with the Variable Timing Control (VTC) Oil Control Solenoid Valve B. This solenoid regulates oil flow to the VTC actuator, and any faults can disrupt the timing phase adjustments. Another potential cause is camshaft timing being out of specification. Variations in timing can lead to improper synchronization between the CMP and CKP sensors. A defective VTC actuator B can also lead to such timing issues. Similarly, problems with the cam chain or cam chain auto tensioner, which maintains proper tension in the chain, could potentially lead to misalignment or slack, interferingly with the correct positioning of the camshafts. Each of these components plays a critical role in maintaining synchronization and proper engine function. Drivers may notice several symptoms indicating the presence of DTC P0017. Commonly, there may be engine performance issues such as reduced power or acceleration. Idle instability is another sign where the engine might surge or stall unexpectedly. Increased emissions could also occur, affecting the vehicle's compliance with environmental regulations. Additionally, the vehicle's onboard computer will typically trigger the check engine light, prompting the driver to seek diagnostics. The TCM, Transmission Control Module, may also experience issues aligning its timing with the engines due to compromised signals from the CMP and CKP sensors. Addressing these symptoms promptly can prevent further vehicle complications. For the first step in troubleshooting DTC P0017, begin by turning the vehicle to the off mode and allowing the engine to cool to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Coolant temperatures can affect the operation of various components, so this step is essential for safe troubleshooting. Once the engine has cooled, start the engine and let it idle without any load, meaning it should be in park, P, or neutral N mode. During this idle phase, you will monitor the engine operation while ensuring there are no external load factors present that could skew the diagnostic results. This step forms the baseline for assessing any active faults and observing the natural operation of the engine, providing crucial data for further evaluation. Step 2 requires turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the vehicle's diagnostic system to perform a self-check. Next, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, select EX-VTC, which stands for the Exhaust Variable Timing Control. It is essential for controlling the camshaft phasing for improved performance and efficiency. After selecting this option, monitor the diagnostic results. If the test result comes back as not okay, it confirms that the failure is present and reproduces the issue. This step provides an indication of whether the VTC system is operating within the established parameters, maintaining proper timing alignment between the CMP and CKP sensors. The third step involves turning the vehicle back to the off mode and again allowing the engine to cool to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Cooling is crucial for maintaining safe operating conditions during diagnostics. After the engine has cooled appropriately, restart the engine while monitoring the HDS system for the XVTC status. You need to ensure this status turns on, indicating that the valve timing system is effectively activated and functioning. During this idle period, watch for the status change, which reports the operational health of the VTC components. Additionally, monitor the HDS for the onboard diagnostic (OBD) status related to P0017 to identify any existing trouble codes, allowing for a comprehensive assessment of the vehicle's condition. Upon completion of the necessary repairs and inspections related to DTC P0017, it's vital to conduct a final verification. Begin by clearing any DTCs stored in the system and reperforming the diagnostic tests to ensure all systems function correctly. After clearing, start the engine and confirm that it runs stable without any irregularities. Conduct a short drive while monitoring for any potential performance issues and be on the lookout for the check engine light illuminating again. This step acts as a quality assurance check to verify that all components are performing correctly and that the issue associated with the DTC has been resolved. If all tests pass, this signifies the repair process is complete. To avoid encountering issues related to DTC P0017 in the future, implementing preventive maintenance is crucial. Regular oil changes with the appropriate oil type help ensure the VTC system operates smoothly without obstruction. Monitoring engine performance routinely can identify any irregularities sooner rather than later, allowing for early intervention. Additionally, regularly inspecting timing components, such as the cam chain and tensioner, can prevent failures before they occur. Make it a habit to follow the manufacturer's recommended service intervals for timing-related parts and maintain a close eye on the overall engine condition. This proactive approach not only minimizes risks, but also enhances the vehicle's long-term reliability. In conclusion, understanding and addressing DTC P0017 requires careful attention to the components involved in camshaft and crankshaft synchronization. This code indicates a direct correlation error between the CMP sensor B and CKP sensor, typically caused by problems in the variable timing control system. The troubleshooting process must be systematic, addressing potential issues related to the VTC oil control solenoid, camshaft timing, and chain integrity. It's also essential to regularly monitor vehicle performance and implement preventive maintenance to avert similar issues in the future. By following these guidelines, technicians can ensure the integrity of the engine's timing systems and enhance the vehicle's overall reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.